Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Aaron with Voltant, and in this video I'm going to be demonstrating how to winterize your T100. What you'll need to do that is RV antifreeze and then your controller and battery. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open the tank so I can dump liquid in, along with start the drone so I can run the pumps. Now I'm going to dump in some RV antifreeze into the bottom of the tank. You don't need very much, just enough to be able to fill the hoses and have some in the pump and a little bit in the bottom of the tank remaining. I'm going to try it there. I might have to add a little bit more here in a second. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unfold these arms so I'm not spraying antifreeze onto the landing gear of the drone. And then on the controller, I'm going to go to the clear trapped air button, and I'm gonna go until I see antifreeze coming out of both arms, but also try to have some still left in the bottom of the tank. So looking at it, I still have some left in the bottom of the tank, and I had RV antifreeze come out of both arms, so now I know it's winterized for the winter. The other thing you want to do is charge the batteries every 3 months during the winter time so they don't get too cold and too low. This is Aaron with Voltant. Thanks for joining me.